Hello dear students, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Zenith Academy. In today's video, we shall learn how to improve the vocabulary of English language. See, in the interview, the interviewer may ask you to give a demonstration on how you will improve the vocabulary of your student, English vocabulary. So what will you do? First of all, you have to remember one thing. Whatever you teach, if you have scope, try to teach it by drawing pictures, because pictures have stronger visual effects than text or words. Okay, so in this video I will teach you how you will teach them English vocabulary in an interesting way or by drawing pictures. Okay, first of all, one thing that you have to remember, whenever you are giving the demonstration, you have to stand like this, just by the board. Don't guard the board like this, or don't stand there or in the middle of the board. It will look awkward and the students will not be able to see the board clearly. Okay, so you have to make the entire board visible to the students, and if you stand there, you can write comfortably. Okay, so your standing position should be there. Okay, don't stand in the middle of the board. First, I'm not writing the dates, subjects, class, etc., because I think you all have learned these things in your B.Ed course. So I'm going straight to the topic. First of all, how will you give an intro? We shall start the intro by mentioning an example. What is the example? Roots help a tree grow stronger. In the same way, roots of words help us increase our vocabulary or make our vocabulary strong. If we remember one root, we can easily remember many words starting or ending with the roots. Okay, for an example, suppose it's their roots of tree. Okay, now we will take a word and it's a suffix. The word is phobia. I have written phobia. Okay, phobia means, what is the meaning of phobia? Phobia means fear, fear or dislike. Okay, try to write the font a little bigger so that the student can see it clearly. Okay, next we shall draw a tree like this, like this. Okay, it's a tree. Now we will write some words ending with in phobia, like hematophobia. What does it mean? Hematophobia means fear of blood. Xenophobia. Xenophobia means fear of foreigners. You may write the meaning there. Okay. Next, claustrophobia. 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 Claustrophobia means fear of congested place. Okay, or confined place. Next, altophobia. Fear of high altitudes. Okay, and thanatophobia. Thanatophobia means fear of death. Okay. And a lot more phobias are there. So by drawing this tree, we have learned many phobia words, and it's very interesting. Student will get interest. You can make the size of the tree bigger and write some more words with phobia. Okay, so if there is phobia, if you see the word phobia, suffix phobia with any word, it means the word is related to fear or dislike. Okay, let's take another word. Our next word is side. C-I-D. So if you see the word side with any word, it means killing, murder, death, etc. Okay, like homicide. Homicide means Homo sapiens, the scientific name of human being. So homicide means killing of human being. Regicide, a common word, regicide. Regicide means killing of king. Next, genocide. Genocide means killing of race or mass of people. Uxoricide. Killing of wife. Filicide, killing of son or daughter, and lot more side words are there, like matricide, killing of mother. Fratricide, killing of fratricide means killing of brother. Sororicide, killing of sister. And matricide, killing of mother. So lots of killing words are there. By uh, making a tree or drawing a tree, you can explain how to improve the vocabulary. Okay, I think it will be an interesting way to teach the student. So you can also teach them by drawing a tree, or if you have any idea in your mind, it must not always be a tree. It may be a ocean, it may be a house, whatever it may be, but try to make them understand or try to explain your thoughts by drawing pictures. Okay, so in this video I have taught you how you will give the demo on vocabulary improvement. Okay. If you like the class, please share the video and follow the channel. In the next video I will give a demonstration on a poem. Okay, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the videos. See you soon.